into that fence, and as you guys can see, he's going to be glitching out. And when he crosses into the fence, you guys want him to stay there, and on your screen, it's going to glitch out, and the fence will close on him, and you want your friend to stay there and not move his car. On your screen, it's going to look like your friend's moving his car, but in all reality, he's actually not. He's just standing still, but on your screen, it's glitching out. So once you guys see that his car is just going absolutely crazy, what you guys are going to do is just climb his vehicle and from